A follow-on video from my last one, create a target audience declaration. Now below's the thing, non-runners were currently purchasing Nike shoes to stroll to work and for other laid-back functions. Nike spotted this as a possibility to broaden their sales. Instead, they weakened their brand pledge and the company really began to shed cash. The lesson, according to business founder Phil Knight, eventually we established that we desired Nike to be the global ideal sports and fitness company, as well as the Nike brand name to represent sporting activities and also physical fitness tasks. As soon as you state that, you have emphasis. While Nike would absolutely not quit casual customers from acquiring its footwear, the company redoubled every little thing from product advertisements to advertising and marketing on its target market. Professional athletes of all levels, from pro to beer organisations, in fact, comprehending the significance of focus-led Nike right into a very reliable technique of targeting audience segments. The brand name has several target markets for its various products. On social, that means they use multiple accounts to reach their various target market teams. No one account tries to be all things to all clients. The posts listed below from Nike's basic Instagram accounts target the sector of their audience curious about style and way of living products. And that means the brand's name has had the ability to return to marketing its items, particularly for casual wear. It just gets to the casual target audience via different networks than it used to for its athletic markets. Its various target markets in sector and also a different advertising measures like Nike. You could have one target market or many, depending on the size of your brand name. Now bear in mind that you can only speak properly to one target audience segment each time. I hope this clears up a bit about when I left the last video, as I actually ran out of space on my recorder. I do hope you learnt something from this, how even big firms like Nike can drop through using the wrong type of advertising, aiming at the wrong segment of people. Once again, I'll ask you to press the like button below my video, which helps me on YouTube, and also a bell up the top. Give that a press and press all next to it, and you'll be informed when I put more videos up, if you can stand to watch them. So it's Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching this one, and I'll say goodbye and hope you come back again soon.